What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I appreciate you guys coming back yet again for another week. This is going to be just a quick little update video on our awesome Badboyz Cycles seat here. So we've had this seat for since about July, and I've put over 8,000 miles on this seat on the Freedom Performance Series seat from Badboyz Cycles. And in the last 4 months, it hasn't got above 35 degrees where I live. So I will show you the condition that the seat is currently in after 8,000 miles and 6 months in every kind of weather you can imagine, from severe cold, snow, severe heat above 100 degrees, rain, sleet, you name it. This seat has seen it, plus the mileage that we've put on it. So check it out. Here's what it currently looks like after putting it through its paces. All right, so I've said since day one, since I got my very first Badboyz Cycle seat, which was the Scorpion seat, which I still love to ride once in a while. But as you can see, after 8,000 miles and 6 or 7 months, there is no deformities, there's no cracking, there is very, very little signs of wear anywhere on this seat. There's no permanent indentations, there is no color fading, none of the stitching is coming out. It has held its form very well. It's not sagging in any spots. Same on this side. Come over here. No sag marks, no indentations, no rips, no tears, no cracks. Absolutely perfect. Just like it was when it came out of the box. I'm telling you guys, I fully support and will back Badboyz Cycles 100% because their product speaks for itself. It really does. Everything about it is comfortable. I don't have any issues. I don't get saddle fatigue from it at all. I mean, I've been on 600, 700, 800-mile rides in a day, and the only saddle fatigue I was getting wasn't even from the seat itself. It was just because I have a bad left hip, and I've had hip replacements on that side. My wife loves that wider passenger pillion, even though she's small. She's only 5'4" and like 110 pounds. She likes that wider stance from there. So yeah, anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick little um, update and kind of where we're at on that Badboyz seat. I know some people look at them and it's not one of those huge name brands like you normally see, so some people are kind of hesitant on whether they want to pull the trigger on it or not. I promise you, you will not regret picking yourself up one. It's honestly probably going to outlast any other seat that I've ever ran with. So they get a 10 out of 10 for me, as always. Coming up later this week, guys, got something pretty exciting that we're going to be doing. It has to do with new lighting. I folded and decided to pick up a pair of the Baja Designs LP6 lighting. One clear and one amber. It's going to look great on the bike. So stick around for that. That'll be coming up here later this week towards the weekend. That's the plan for this week, guys. Thanks again. If you're still sticking around, much love. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming by, dropping us those likes, dropping the love, the support. It means the world to us. So we appreciate you. As always, take care of yourselves and take care of each other. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. Bye.